Hi everyone. Hi Gaktene. Is Mr. Shoshev. I am Joe or Joseph. Welcome back to Minecraft Ask Gaeilge. Uh, Volche go Minecraft Ask Gaeilge. Um, I, I felt myself being boring right there, so I guess I had to just turn up the energy a notch. Yeah. What a view here, huh? Go Holland. Beautiful. Go Holland. Um, as you can see, I'm already trying to start to work more Gaelic into the episodes. I noticed, another thing I noticed, I was droning on about stuff, but I wasn't doing any Gaelic. So today's word of the day. I probably just made a terrible noise into the microphone, but continuing with the theme we were going with the previous two episodes, today's theme, today's word of the day is Oráiste. Oráiste. And that is the color orange. The color orange. So we're gonna do. I've been working on these houses a little bit more. I didn't really do anything off camera since the last episode. Life got in the way again. Um, so yeah, it's been very tough, and I actually convinced myself to do this episode. It's Sunday, April 9th. For you fans of excuse me, for you fans of the movie Empire Records, yesterday was Rex Manning Day. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going. I saw a sheep over here, and I want to get some wool. I have green wool on me right now, but I want some white wool. And I just saw I just saw the sheep over here, the Cowra. Um, Cowra is sheep. So I'm going over here just to quickly steal its wool. And for those of you who do not play Minecraft, if you've been watching the previous episodes, I've been kind of doing a lot of boring stuff. Minecraft, there it is. There's the sheep. There's the cow. Yay. I'm probably gonna need more though, so I either need to wait for him to grow his or her to grow her wool back, or I need to find another one over here somewhere. Yeah, Minecraft is a lot of fun. There's so much to do. There's so much to do. There really is. I can't even describe it all. Hopefully, if this kind of a game interests you. I mean, there's pretty much something for everybody in Minecraft. If you like to build or if you like to adventure, you know, there's always something. This is my intent for this world here is to actually get people participating, but seeing as how I can't get anybody to watch, I don't know how realistic that is. Um, so yeah, I just walked around. I don't see any more sheep around here, which is disappointing. Disappointing. There's a rabbit. Look at that. I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know the name for rabbit in Irish. I'm sorry, guys. Uh. Oh. I was just thinking. I know the words for I'm sorry, but I can't think of them now. Run away, run away. Um. Yeah. Hey. So I really have nothing to talk about. Um. This episode. Ooh, there's another sheep. There's another sheep. There's another cow. Cow ale. Um, actually, I started building a zoo on the other side of our town here. Maybe I should go check it out to see if there's some cow over there, some sheep. Oh, I wonder. I'm gonna have to look that up. I think cow might be singular. Of course, in English, sheep is singular and plural. So that's interesting. I wonder. This is one of the first bridges I made in this world, and I'm not crazy about it. It's thick because underneath here are I covered it up. Jack-o'-lanterns. So if you've noticed, if you don't play Minecraft, you see sort of little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin faces around. If you put them on a crafting bench along with a torch, you can make a jack-o'-lantern, and it glows. It emits light. I sound boring again. Okay. So Maybe I can run just to go a little bit faster. So this is, yeah, again, if you haven't played Minecraft, I don't know if you notice how far away we walked, but really, like, that's not even far. That could be something I do is... Did I do that already? I might have taken a mini excursion into the world, but I didn't, like, film anything. I think this is going to be episode 15, I think. See, there are some... Those are just called pumpkins in the game. But if you combine them with a torch, then you get a jack-o'-lantern which glows. Yeah, we could do that right now. I'm boring you anyway. You might as well check this bit out. Oh, look at that. There's some wool. Ha. We just did all that for nothing. Okay. I need to plan better. I have a very messy inventory. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, I just did a mistake there. I've got no room in my inventory. Let me put that back. And let's take... That's fine. So first I have to make a torch. So this is Minecraft. This is how Minecraft works. You put it in the crafting grid and... Boom. There's a jack-o'-lantern. It's called Sean Na... Gaeilge? Can somebody help me with that? I'll just plug it there for now. And you can't tell, but it's emitting light. I don't really... I don't think there's any dark spot around here to show you, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. Ooh, maybe in here? We got a dark spot? Phone going off. Mic on. It's on vibrate. You guys probably didn't hear that, but I figured I'd point it out anyway. Yeah, we don't have a... Maybe I'll just knock a torch out down here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. So you see how it's nice and dark? I can throw this jack-o'-lantern down. Boom! Light again. Cool, huh? This game is awesome. See, a regular pumpkin, you wouldn't get light. So let's put these torches back. Right there. I gotta come down here and mine this andesite. I forget what the white stuff is. The bond stuff. The bond rod. Rudy Bond. Rudy Bond. Man, you know, I'm really taking that don't be afraid to make mistakes thing to heart, huh? Alright. Is this episode over yet? Yeah, I'm being boring again. So, right now, I was just kind of making some carpet here. I think I made a little bit in the last episode, and the sun is setting, so it looks like we're gonna finish up this episode doing that. Yay! I'm sorry, guys, I had nothing. You wanna know something funny, though? I've mentioned in previous episodes, oh god, my inventory's a mess. Hang on, guys. I've mentioned in previous episodes that, you know, one of the best ways kind of to learn any language, especially Gaelic, is to check out some resources, you know? So I haven't listened to Gaelic radio in a while, but it was funny. I was thinking about it the other day on my drive home from work, and I was thinking about it because one of my favorite shows is Ronan Bale. It's kind of like a, at least from what I can tell, it's kind of like a talk show type of deal, but almost in like a radio, morning radio format, kind of like I'm just throwing torches down. I don't know why. Not necessarily like a shock jock thing, but like a sort of a morning talk show, but it's actually done in the afternoon in Ireland. But it's kind of cool. So for me, it comes on about 11 o'clock in the morning. But they sound like they're having a lot of fun. But they play one of Beck's songs to intro the show, or at least they used to. And so that song actually came up on satellite radio for me on my drive home. So out of nowhere, I just went, Tosh Gaeilge le RTE Radio na Gaeltachta. just like he would on the radio, and I threw it out there with so much emphasis and confidence. I'm like, oh my god, it really does work, just having those resources. And tá sé vigéisteach le RTE radio na Gaeltachta. See, I did it so perfectly just there. That's how you say it, and it basically means you all are listening to Radio na Gaeltachta, Gaelic radio, or technically radio from the Gaeltacht. So, anyway, that's it for this episode. Go check out some resources, and happy speaking Gaelic, guys. Ihe wa.